flood emergency for Mountain Island Lake and communities downstream of Mountain Island Lake Dam. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has extended the flash flood warning for a dam floodgate release at northeastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. At 6:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, rainfall accumulations of 4 to 8 inches Wednesday night into Thursday morning over the headwaters of the Catawba River and associated tributaries has caused high flows and increasing lake pool elevations along the Catawba River. Duke Energy is passing excess water through each reservoir upstream of Mountain Island Lake, including immediately upstream of Callum's Ford Dam at Lake New Orleans. These releases are resulting in significant rises at Mountain Island Lake, where the pool is currently at 103.3 feet. Full pool is 100.0 feet. Mountain Island Lake pool rises are slowing but is only temporary. Additional torrential and devastating rainfall is developing and will persist through early this afternoon as rainfall from Tropical Storm Helene moves across the Catawba River Valley. There is high confidence that another 3 to 6 inches of rainfall will occur from Lake Hickory to the Catawba River headwaters, with the highest totals along the Blue Ridge Escarpment. This rainfall is occurring on saturated soils, and excessive runoff into elevated streams will likely result in catastrophic inflows into the Catawba River lakes. These flows will have to be passed downstream through the Catawba River reservoir system, including through Mountain Island Lake. Based on current rainfall forecasts and conditions, Duke Energy expects Mountain Island Lake to reach or exceed 110.0 feet later today, which is 10.0 feet over full pond. This would be a record pool elevation at Mountain Island Lake, breaking the record of 109.60 feet which occurred in August 1940. Mountain Island Lake reached 106.91 feet on June 10, 2019, which is the highest crest in the modern era. Major flood stage is 105.5 feet. Vehicle lake levels will cause unprecedented, catastrophic flooding of Mountain Island Lake and possibly adjacent reaches of the Catawba River. This is a flash flood emergency for Mountain Island Lake and communities downstream of Mountain Island Lake Dam. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding from dam floodgate releases caused by excessive rainfall. Source: Duke Energy and Charlotte Mecklenburg Emergency Management Impact. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Immediate evacuation for areas along the river immediately downstream of the dam. Life-threatening, catastrophic, and potentially historic flash flooding of areas along the Catawba River from immediately downstream of Callum's Ford Dam to Mountain Island Lake to the Riverside Drive community below Mountain Island Lake Dam. At 106.5 feet, major flooding continues. Devastating, widespread structural flooding along Lake Drive, Riverside Drive, and River even Dr. below the dam is ongoing. First floor inundation of some unelevated homes is exceeding 4 feet, with some homes experiencing 5 to 7 feet of inundation. Riverside Doctor and River even Doctor are submerged by 2 to 5 feet of flood waters. Water rescues may be ongoing. Caution is advised anywhere near the Catawba River from Callum's Ford Dam to the Lake Wiley Inlet. Please stay weather aware and monitor lake levels and Duke Energy projections closely for any changes. For more information on lake levels or dam releases, people are encouraged to visit http://lakes.duke-energy.com or call 1-800-829-5253. Residents along and below Mountain Island Lake are encouraged to stay aware of the latest updates from Charlotte Mecklenburg Emergency Management by signing up for Traumake Alerts at